Solve 3b plus 4 over 2 minus 6b, which is equal to minus 2 over 5. So we'll cross multiply it. It is 5 into 3b plus 4 equal to minus 2 into 2 minus 6b. Now it is 15b plus 20 equal to 2 into 2 is 4 minus 4 plus 12b. 15b minus 12b equal to minus 4 minus 20. It will be transposed on right side and it will be transposed on left side. So it is 3b of plus equal to minus 24. So b equals to minus 24 over 3, that is minus 8. This is the answer. Now solve m over m plus 15 equal to 4 by 9. By cross multiplication it is 9m equal to 4 into m plus 15. 9m equal to 4m plus 60. 9m minus 4m, it is transposed, is equal to 60. Now 5m of plus equal to 60. Which gives m equal to 60 over 5, which is 12. So m equal to 12. This is the answer.